Hello everyone! Today we're going to do a Roblox scripting tutorial.
Why did you get up?
That's the intro. Okay, so first off, you need to open a blank screen by clicking that on Studio. Now, click on Workspace, insert basic objects, then script. Make sure it's not a local script. So what comes up is this. Now you might be thinking, what does this do? Well, to check, you click this, and as you may have guessed, it prints hello world. You can change this, you can do anything, but it has to be in either this, in either these or these. You can also print numbers. Print 5 in brackets. And there you go. But you can also print numbers like this. You don't. Now, would this work? No, it prints nil because J doesn't mean anything. What if we make a variable? A variable can be anything that stores of data. So in this case, J equals 345, and this will print 345. Variables can be anything. It can be strings. Anything in these or these are called strings. You can also print two variables. To do that, you must place two dots in between them. Now, you can also use this language to do sums like this. What will this print? 12. There are lots of different there are lots of different There are lots of different number operations you can use. So you can do times, divide, and subtract, and lots of more. So now you know what strings are and numbers are. So, well, just to get this straight, now this means that D is a number value. Variables can also be objects. So go insert basic objects. Make sure to press that purple arrow after when you're done with the script. That resets the workspace. So y equals game. You have to say game when you want to get an object of the game. Dot. Now these are all the children of game. So the child we want to use is workspace. So game dot workspace dot. Now these are all the children of workspace. So pop. Now there are three things you can do. There are three different types of things that you can do to objects. There's methods, and the methods, events, and properties. Now if you click on the part and go on properties, these are all the properties. You can't view methods and events like this. You have to go to view, basic go to view, go into script and go view, go to help object browser, and you have all these things. Now we're looking for part. Now the purple things are the methods and the blue things are properties, and these lightning things are, as you guessed, events. So let's say if you wanted to destroy the part, there is a destroy event right here. So you'd go to y destroy, and there you go, it destroys the part. But what if you wanted to make it be destroyed after 5 seconds? So you use the wait function, you type wait and you open brackets, and then you type a number, so 5. That'll wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Where's the part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but if you do this, it'll still work, but this means that it'll wait the shortest amount of time possible. Now what if you wanted to change the part's color? So y dot so this, as well as using destroy, you can also use remove. that's not on here. I don't know why. Remove is just the same as destroy. But slightly different. We'll talk about the differences in another tutorial. So properties. What if you wanted to change the color? So y dot brick color. Brick color is a property of part equals. Now you can't just say red, but there's two ways you can do this. You could do color3, which is a type of value, color3 value dot new. And then you can do the RGB 255 scale 560, and that would make it like so. You might have come across an error. Workspace.script blind to bad argument to brick color. Now this wouldn't work. But as well as using this, you could also do brick color new, and then you'd have to do something like bright red. And there you go, the part is red. Now, as you may have noted, the part keeps falling down when you click that green arrow. You could fix this by clicking anchored to make it true, or you could do this y dot anchored equals true. Now another thing with properties is there's different properties carry different values. So like the brick color is, that was a bad example. Well, this is called a Boolean value, means true or false. So it's either if y anchored is it anchored yes or no. If you don't want it to be anchored, it's false. So a property like this is either true or false. There are other ones like y dot calls matches a number property, so but this one only goes from 0 to 1. So it can be 0, 1 is invisible, 0 is visible, 0.5 is translucent, and so on. Now events. We'll talk about events in the next episode.